Okay. So follow so far? Okay. Now, the bass clef also has a middle C, and it looks like this. These two C's are exactly the same C on the piano. They represent the C closest to the middle piano, this C right here. This C is middle C. It doesn't matter if it's written like the middle C in the treble clef or the middle C in the bass clef. You will always play this C when you see that C. Follow? That's correct. That's correct. Very good. Okay. All right. Now, this G, okay, this G is the G above middle C. Play that G above middle C. Good. And now, this F here is the F below middle C. Very good. Follow so far. Okay. So let's drill those three notes momentarily here. So take a look. I'm going to draw one of these notes, and you tell me what it is, and you play it on the keyboard. What note is this? Play it. What note is this? Good. What note is this? This one. Good. What note is this? Middle C. Right. See how that works? Okay. We continue. Now there's a nice pattern that begins to form. So let me show you what this pattern looks like. So this is the note G. This is the note F. Okay, blues are C. Right? If we go up to the third space up on the treble clef, so if we're counting the spaces, this is space number 1, space number 2, space number 3. The third space of the treble clef is also the note C. It's the C above middle C. Good. That C is known as treble C. Treble C. Okay. If we go to the bass clef here, and we go to the third space below from the top, so 1, 2, 3 going down, notice the symmetry. There's symmetry here. Okay. This is also a C. This time, it's bass C. Very good. Do you see the symmetry here? So that's the C below middle C. Can you find that on the piano? The C below middle C. Very good. Wait, there's more. There's more beautiful symmetry to find here. If we go to the very top line of the treble clef, this is the note F. The very top line of the treble clef is the note F. And that's F above treble C. Can you find that on the piano? F above treble C. Very good. Very good, that's it. Well, I'm calling it that right now. I mean, that's one. That's correct. I'm just describing it. Eventually, we'll be describing these by number. This is F5, but I don't want you to worry about that yet. Okay? And then there's one more. Take a look here. If we go to the very bottom line of the bass clef, again, notice the symmetry. This is the note G, the G below bass C. The G below bass C. Find that on the keyboard. Very good. Okay. This is the fastest way to learn how to read music intuitively and quickly. This is what's known as the Keynote System. Okay. And this is my own version of the Keynote System. No one else actually teaches it like this. But I think it works really well because it's symmetrical. So it makes it very easy. So what I've just shown you are the key notes that you have to master first. The key notes. All right, so the next part of this video is going to be a drill. It's going to be a keynote drill. So when you're watching this video, you can kind of skip ahead after you're comfortable with this and do the drill that we're about to do. All right, I'm going to write one of these notes down. It'll either be one of the middle C's, one of the G's, one of the F's. Your job is to identify the note verbally and then also play it on the keyboard. Okay? All right? Okay, here we go. I'm going to leave it right over here so you can still see the references at first. All right, and I'm going to do all these in black. What note is this? Very good. What note is this? Good. What note is this? Good. Play it. Good. So notice how treble C and bass C are both on the line. On the spaces, excuse me. And both middle C's are on line. So it's very easy to see, isn't it? Okay. Cool. All right. So while this up, let's keep drilling these even more. What note is this? What note is this? What note is this? What note is this? Good. Okay. What note is this? Good. Play it. Almost. Good. What note is this? Yeah. Right. Yes. Good. Okay. What note is this? Good. What note is this? Good. What note is this? Good. 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 Okay. Yes. What about this? Good. Mm-hmm. Oh, almost. Find the F. Good. Good. Yes. Good. Good. All right. So now we're going to do this without the crutch. Okay. Good. 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 Mm-hmm. Bassy. Which wrong F. Good. Yes. Good. 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 Yes. Yes. Yeah. Good. Yes, but higher. Higher F. Yes. Good. Okay. All right, so now what I'm doing is I'm just writing a bunch here. Okay. And what you're going to do in your practice is just figure them out as quickly as you can. And of course, you can pause the video when you're working these, okay? Again, this is just a drill. So you pause it here, work on these, and then you can go ahead. And just see how fast you can get this week in your practice. Yeah, this is going to be added to your playlist, so you just pause the video right there. I'm stopping the recording now.